Hello everyone, our today's topic is curve. What is curve? A figure drawn on a plane surface without lifting a pencil is called curve. For example, I draw here, I start from here, join this point, again this and here. I join different point without lifting a pencil. So it is curve. I start here, joining different point without lifting a pencil and reach here, and this is a curve. Again, I start from here and ends here, it is a curve. I start from here and ends again the same point, at the same point, this is a curve. Look here, from where I start, I end at the same point, again a curve, because I draw all these figures without lifting a pencil. But what type of curve? Now we will differentiate the types of curve. This is an open curve. It is also an open curve because in open curve the starting point and ending point are different. Here starting point is A and it ends at B. Again here in this curve starting and ending points are different. Here in these curves I start suppose from point A and ends at point A. I start here from point P and again ends at point P. I start suppose from here point Q then again end at point Q. So these two are the open curve and these three curves are closed curve, because in open curve the starting and ending points are different and in closed curve the starting and ending points are same. And again this is a simple curve. Curve first is a simple curve. Curve second not simple. Third simple. Fourth simple. Fifth is not simple. Why? Why I am saying that curve second and curve fifth, this one and this curve, they both are not simple, because this one, it is an open curve but not simple because it intersects itself here like this, intersect. And here this is a closed curve, not open. It's a closed curve but not simple curve, because here I start from point Q and again intersect here at this point. So it is not a simple curve. Simple curve does not intersect itself, but complex curve intersect itself. So it is open curve because starting and end point different. It's open but not simple because starting points and ending points are different and curve intersect itself. Simple and closed curve. Simple and closed curve. It's not simple but closed. So it is closed and not simple because the curve is intersecting itself. Clear? Okay, next video we will learn about polygons.